Okay guys, just wanted to show you here my little Briggs and Stratton engine. I had that thing turning an alternator, so it's kind of like a little 12-volt generator. But I just took that off because I got to do a little fixing on it. But what I wanted to show you here is the exhaust system here. This pot liquor here broke off, rusted off. You know how they do on those old little round mufflers, eh? So anyway, it was louder than heck. So I take the grinder and I flushed it up, cut it off nice and clean, and I welded this little street elbow, this 90 on, 1/2 inch. And I just want to show you the difference in tone that my new muffler made, because I couldn't really figure out what I wanted to do for a muffler. I wasn't going to go down and buy something new for 20 bucks or 25 bucks. So this is what I got. This here is an oil filter. It was for my 350 Chevy, and it ended up sitting around too long and getting a little bit of rust in it. So I thought, I'm not using it on the engine, I'll use it for a muffler. And so what I did is I found this piece of 1/2 inch elbow and a 4-inch nipple, and then I went and bought I think that's an 18-inch nipple, 20-inch nipple, and I thread them on. The thread's right on, really nice, just like this, eh? I don't know if you can see that out of the picture. Yeah, there we go. The thread's on real nice, and this thread's on here really nice. So I'm going to show you all this, and then I'll pick up the camera and I'll start it and I'll pick up the camera and I'll put it on there so you can hear the difference in sound. Normally what I do is once I do my oil changes, I throw my filters in the campfire here in the yard and burn out all the oil, and then they're all black and cleaned out, and they work good as a muffler that way. So we'll see if we can start this puppy up here, and I'll show you the difference. That's just on a slow idle. Here we go. Right off the hop, the pipe takes it down. It's now quite a bit quieter. That's already quite a bit quieter. Now we'll throw the oil filter on. There. Now that's what she sounds like with the oil filter on. Really nice. And she blows back out this way. Considerably more quiet. I don't have a sound meter to say the difference, but I just thought I wanted to show you that little trick. Over and out.